guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser and today I'll be showing you this wig that I made. I used iron Zury Bohemian curl in color number 30. What do you think? I've never tried blonde before, like never ever have I tried blonde, and this is the first time, and honestly I don't know how to feel about it. I don't know, I feel like just blonde is just like going really out there. I know there's some black people who grow blonde hair. Those people are not me because I grow black hair, and I just feel like, I don't know, like blonde is just too out there for me. I don't know. Like red I'm kind of okay with, but blonde, I don't know. What do you guys think? Like, do you think it looks good on me, or do you think like, girl, stop please? I don't Anyway, let's get back into the hair. So this hair actually feels really soft. It feels really nice. One thing I'll have to say, like from all the other curl patterns, I feel like this one, if you do not separate it, I don't think it's going to fit the whole head. Like, I'm just going to put it out there, especially for those people who like a little bit of a fuller look. It's not going to be enough. So if you don't want to unravel the hair the way I did, then definitely get 2 or 3 packs depending on the kind of fullness that you like. This is the hair that I had left from install. This is how the curl comes like originally before you separate it, and I separated them in about 2 or 3 sections depending on how I felt like. And in the back I basically just installed it without separating it. Would I do that now? I don't think so. Now I'd actually just go and, you know, separate every hair before I install it, just because I felt like it took so much longer for me to go and unravel the hair after I had installed it. It might be just because of the way I was feeling, but I don't know, it takes longer. I didn't look at the time though, so maybe it was just me getting annoyed with the hair, and plus you have to hold it up to separate it, and it's just like, no, just separate it before you install it if you are going to separate it. If you want to tame the frizz, because it is kind of frizzy, just a little bit frizzy, but I like this frizz. If you want to tame the frizz, you can use any type of mousse. I have the Lotta Body mousse, and that's the one I use, but I'm not going to use it on this hair yet, only because I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep it or not. I mean, if I want to give it away, I want the person to decide whether they're going to tame the frizz or just wear it like the best. I don't know if I should keep it, honestly, just because I'm not sure if I'm going to wear it, and I don't want to be a hoarder holding all kinds of wigs in my house, so I don't know. You let me know, guys. Maybe I'll try going to the grocery store with it and see how I feel about it. But honestly, like, I love this hair. It's very light, like so light. I know it looks so big, but it's so light and it feels really nice. Even though it's touching my face, I don't feel like it's annoying because it's very soft. The only thing that I find annoying, like if you're not new to my channel, then you definitely know that I hate having hair in my face, and this is what this is doing. That's why I love wearing the afro, because the afro is, you know, it stays in place, you know, but this one, like, it has movement and all those things.
Okay, let's get to crocheting. So this is how the hair looks like when it comes from the package. It has 3 bundles, 8 inches, 9 inches, and 10 inches. And this is basically how it looks like. It's very pretty, very soft. And in the back, I'm just crocheting the hair without separating it, as I told you earlier. And as you can see, it's really easy to do the crochet. I'm making sure that I'm spacing them out in the back because I'm going to separate it and it's going to look fuller. So this is the hair with 2 packs in, and I'll have the last pack left, which is the longest pack. So I did the 8 inches, then the 9 inches. Oh my god, the 9 inches, and now I'm going to put in the 10 inches. When you're putting in the 10 inches, make sure you really like, you know, put them in really closely. You don't leave a lot of space in between, as you can see as I'm doing right now. See, they're very close to each other, that I don't know, like, you won't see the gaps when you put on the wigs. If you don't crochet them tightly together, then you'll definitely be seeing the gaps. This is how the wig looks like before I cut it or do anything to it. It's very pretty. I really like it. Just the color, I feel like I'm disappearing in the color, if that makes sense, because it's just so close to my skin tone, the point where I feel like there's, like, where does my face and my hair begin, kind of thing. So I don't really like that the hair, like my hair, shows there because it's not blonde, obviously. So what I do to just sort of cover it, I just put that hair beneath it, so just in case there's some wind and it kind of blows the hair, it doesn't look really black over there. I decided to cut it a little bit. I'm not going to cut the back because I can't see the back and I suck at cutting. So I'll cut the back when my sister is at my place. But this is it.
In general, I love it. The color, if I had a black one, I'd definitely wear it. The blonde one probably needs to grow on me, or I just need to push myself and just wear it outside for like a week or so, and then see how I feel about blonde after that. Not that blondes are not cute, they are, just on me, it's questionable. That's how I feel. But let me know what you think in the comment section, and I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. By the way, I'm uploading this video on Thursday, so on Thursday, and then I'm traveling on Sunday. I'm going to Kenya and I'm staying there for 2 whole months. I'm going to be vlogging the whole time, so make sure you subscribe on the channel so that you're not missing out on that. And if you haven't subscribed on the channel, subscribe right now. I'm waiting for you. But anyways, so this is my 2 months of crochet, and I have another video, like 2 more videos coming up for crochet styles. If you have not watched the other videos that I uploaded for the 2 months of crochet, I'm going to leave the link down below, so check them out. Let me know what you think, and let me know which one is your favorite style. By the way, which one would you try? Let me know in the comment section down below. So I hope I see you next time on the channel, guys, and I guess the next time I see you, I'll be in Kenya. Yes. So I hope I see you next time, and I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Have a nice weekend. Bye.